Parents are facing tough choices as kids head back to school. COVID cases among America's children are surging to all-time highs. More than 252,000 children tested positive for COVID in the last week, and that is the highest total ever in a 7-day stretch, according to the American Academy of Pediatrics. Mireya Villarreal reports from the Children's Hospital of San Antonio.
I just want peace of mind when it comes to my child and their safety and their education.
For Lindsay Harrison, sending her 3 kids back to school has been a source of anxiety and stress. Her oldest child is immunocompromised in a district where masks are not mandatory. And in the first 8 days of school, 250 notices of positive infections like this one have been sent to families. But Harrison says they're missing key information about who is sick, like at her 3rd grader school, Kinder Ranch Elementary.
Why can't we know every time a Kinder Ranch affiliated person is testing positive for COVID, whether it's a sub, whether it's a teacher, whether it's administration, or if it's a student?
According to the Texas Tribune, at least 45 school districts across the state have suspended in-person learning following spikes in infections. The Lone Star State recording a record in pediatric hospitalizations over the weekend. Dr. Norm Christopher is the chief medical officer of the Children's Hospital of San Antonio.
There is no doubt that the frequency at which children are being infected is dramatically increased.
And their symptoms are greater as well.
The number of children requiring hospitalization is higher, and the number of kids requiring intensive care monitoring and treatment is higher now than it was during the first or the second surge.
If we can't be transparent in that information, then what sort of normal are we getting back to?
We did reach out to Comal ISD. They did not talk to us on camera, but sent us a statement explaining that when someone tests positive, a student or staff member, they do send home a letter immediately on that day notifying parents. And if the parent believes that their child was in close contact with that person, they can ask for an excused absence. They did clarify they do send home the grade level that person was in. However, they cannot release any identifying information by law, and that is what is concerning and confusing for parents. Mireya Villarreal, CBS News, San Antonio, Texas.